And basically the condenser is held on by the same hardware bolts that hold on the radiator. This is going to be the new radiator that goes in there. I think it's a 3-row Champion radiator. There's the box. Here's the there's the actual model number here, CC634 3-row. Okay. I don't see anything. Okay. So I think it's finally ready to come out. I don't think it's too heavy. I'm just hitting things like maybe the horn there. Alright, here it comes, I think. I just have to maneuver. Alright. Try not to spill. Alright, so there's our condenser. Okay, that one's off. In fact, it's so off it feels like it's going to fall. So let me grab it. Okay. This is going from the compressor to the condenser. But underneath the car now, taking out the last 2 bolts, I think, that are holding this thing in. I think. Wow, this thing is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Let me see if it moves. It's moving. Okay, I almost got this bolt out. I don't know what I'm going to do after I get it out, but we'll see. Okay, the compressor is out. And there's our compressor wire that I had to disconnect. This is a ground wire, so it gets the ground to the clutch too. And believe it or not, this compressor does still work, but it's got to be near the end of its life, as well as this thing is heavy. Anyway, yeah, let's take off the old bracket here with the pulley on it already, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4 possibly 17mm bolts, just to get that out of the way next. Okay, and then we can put in our new bracket and compressor after that. Yes. Alright, there's the air conditioning bracket off. There's another 10 or 15 pounds. You know, it's holding the AC compressor on there, and wow, I mean, we're talking almost 50-pound weight. Well, the other one's going to weigh something, so we're going to be able to knock off about 25 pounds just by doing an upgrade. Okay, let's disconnect the lines to the dryer so I can flush those out. Okay, I think we're loose over here. Yes. Okay, so here is our dryer to evaporator line, which I think I will be installing again after I clean it up. Can I get this thing out now? And, oops, I'm losing it. Come on, there we go. I still see all that red stuff in there, so even though I'm not putting you in, I'd probably clean you up anyway in case we use you in the future. Alright, so there's the suction side, the low side. We're just getting rid of everything here except for the evaporator and the condenser. Okay, so now we just have to loosen the old dryer, and it looks like we use a 17 there, and this size is a 22. Okay, 22, 17 and 22. So turn that. Okay, loose, but not finger loose yet, or yeah, finger loose. Hand loose, finger loose. That one's finger loose. Alright, and then this side here. Oh, that's for tighten. I want to loosen. So pull towards you. Yes. Okay, that one's very loose, I think. So, and this may be a sight glass. I never tried rubbing that off to see. Yeah, looks like just paint. Alright, so there, we're loose here. And we're loose here. Okay. So now I just have to loosen that bracket. Looks like a 10mm holding this on. Wow. There it is. And but here's, I think I bought this on Amazon for $15, and it's the same thing, other than this one has a bracket on it, this one doesn't. But looks like what they did in order to fit it with the bracket there was they just cut that. They just sliced the bracket off so it would fit in the factory bracket here.